You take one small antibiotic pill to fight an infection and you feel instantly relieved and safe. But inside your gut something massive is quietly happening that almost nobody ever stops to think about. Trillions of bacteria living inside you are about to face a sudden and dramatic chemical war. Antibiotics do not just kill the bad bacteria causing your infection and stop there completely. They often destroy countless beneficial bacteria too without any ability to tell the difference at all. Most people believe antibiotics only target harmful germs. That belief is far too simple and incomplete. Your gut is home to an entire hidden ecosystem, sometimes called your second brain by researchers. This ecosystem influences your digestion, your immunity, your mood, and even your long-term metabolic health. Antibiotics were never designed to protect this delicate ecosystem while fighting off dangerous infections in you. They were designed for one single job: destroy bacteria fast before an infection can spread further. Today we uncover exactly what happens inside your gut when you take a course of antibiotics. This is not medical alarmism or exaggeration. This is real microbiology explained in simple everyday terms. By the end, you will understand why your stomach feels so different after finishing a prescription. You will also learn what actually happens inside your gut after just 1 month of recovery. Let's start with a surprising truth that most people never expected to hear about their own body. Antibiotics do not simply clear an infection. They reshape the entire microbial world living inside you. Your gut contains an estimated 40 trillion bacterial cells representing hundreds of different unique species overall. This diverse community is often called your microbiome, and it functions almost like a hidden organ. A healthy microbiome helps you digest food, produce vitamins, and even train your immune system properly. Antibiotics are chemically designed to kill bacteria based on broad biological traits rather than precise targeting. This means many antibiotics cannot distinguish between the harmful bacteria and your helpful resident bacteria at all. A single course of antibiotics can wipe out a significant portion of your gut bacteria within days. Some bacterial species may be reduced dramatically, while others might disappear from your gut entirely. This disruption happens surprisingly fast, often within the very first few doses you actually take. Many people assume their gut simply bounces back automatically once the antibiotic course finally ends completely. Microbiology research tells a more complicated and sometimes surprising story about long-term gut recovery. Recovery speed depends heavily on which antibiotic was used and how long the treatment actually lasted. Broad-spectrum antibiotics tend to cause far more disruption than narrow-spectrum targeted alternatives typically do. Doctors understand this trade-off extremely well and often must balance urgent treatment against gut microbiome damage. Sometimes a broad-spectrum antibiotic is genuinely necessary when doctors cannot identify the exact infection quickly. This creates a difficult and very real medical trade-off between saving your life and protecting your gut. Your gut bacteria were never built to withstand this level of sudden and powerful chemical disruption. This is the hidden reality behind why antibiotics can leave lasting effects long after your infection clears. Now, let's go much deeper into what is actually happening inside your intestines at a cellular level. Your gut lining depends on a healthy and balanced microbiome to remain strong and properly protected. This protective lining is sometimes called your gut barrier, and it controls what enters your bloodstream. When beneficial bacteria are wiped out, this protective barrier can become noticeably weaker over a short time. A weakened gut barrier may allow certain harmful substances to pass through more easily than before. This condition is sometimes referred to informally as leaky gut by both researchers and clinicians alike. Increased gut permeability has been linked to inflammation that can affect areas far beyond your digestive system. Antibiotics can also disrupt the delicate balance between different types of bacteria living inside your intestines. Certain opportunistic bacteria that were previously kept in check may suddenly begin multiplying rapidly and unchecked. One well-known example involves a bacterium called Clostridium difficile, which can cause severe intestinal illness. This happens because helpful bacteria that normally compete against it have been dramatically reduced in number. Your gut and immune system are constantly communicating through signals sent by your resident bacterial community. A large percentage of your entire immune system actually resides directly within your digestive tract itself. This surprising fact catches most people off guard since they assume immunity mainly involves blood and white cells. When gut bacteria diversity drops, immune signaling can become disrupted in ways researchers are still studying. Short-chain fatty acids produced by healthy gut bacteria play an important role in reducing inflammation. When bacteria that produce these compounds are reduced, your body may experience increased inflammatory activity overall. Your gut bacteria also help regulate blood sugar metabolism and even certain aspects of your appetite. Disruption to this delicate system may temporarily affect digestion, energy levels, and general daily well-being. Many people report bloating, diarrhea, or general stomach discomfort during or shortly after antibiotic treatment. This happens partly because the normal bacterial balance responsible for smooth digestion has been significantly altered. Your gut depends on stable bacterial diversity in order to break down fiber and certain complex nutrients. Constant disruption to this balance can interfere with nutrient absorption and overall comfortable daily digestion. Another hidden factor involves something researchers call antibiotic resistance, developing within your own resident bacteria. Surviving bacteria exposed to antibiotics may develop genetic changes that help them resist future treatment attempts. This is one major reason doctors emphasize completing prescribed courses exactly as directed by medical professionals. None of this disruption happens without consequence. It builds through the exact dose and duration used. Your gut microbiome is remarkably resilient, which is honestly both a genuine strength and a hidden risk. It adapts and attempts to rebuild itself based on what you consume in the days that follow. This is exactly why timing and dietary choices matter so much throughout the entire recovery process. Let's now carefully walk through what actually happens hour by hour and day by day inside you. This timeline reflects patterns observed across multiple microbiology and gastroenterology research studies conducted worldwide. 24 hours after your very first antibiotic dose, measurable changes can already begin inside your gut. Sensitive bacterial species may start declining rapidly, while more resistant species begin to survive relatively unaffected. You likely will not feel any dramatic symptoms yet, since these shifts remain largely invisible at first. Your gut lining and immune signals may already begin responding quietly to these early bacterial changes. This early stage is often mistaken by people for simple side effects unrelated to gut bacteria changes. 7 full days into a typical antibiotic course represents a period of significant microbial disruption overall. Bacterial diversity often drops noticeably during this stage, with certain species becoming extremely difficult to detect. Digestive symptoms such as bloating or irregular bowel movements frequently peak sometime during this first week. Some people report noticeable fatigue or mild brain fog during this stage of active treatment. Opportunistic bacteria may begin expanding into the space left behind by reduced beneficial bacterial populations. 14 days after finishing treatment, your gut begins a slow and complex process of natural rebuilding. Certain resilient bacterial species typically begin recovering first, while more sensitive species may lag noticeably behind. Digestive symptoms often start improving during this stage, though full comfort may not return just yet. Diet during this window plays an especially important role in shaping which bacteria recover most successfully. Some people describe this stage as gradually feeling more like themselves again after a difficult few weeks. 30 days after finishing your antibiotic course marks an important milestone in the gut recovery process. Research shows that overall bacterial diversity often approaches previous levels, though not always completely identical. Certain specific bacterial species may remain reduced or entirely absent for months after treatment has ended. This does not mean permanent damage is guaranteed at all. Your gut retains impressive natural resilience. Studies show that dietary support can meaningfully accelerate microbiome recovery during this important 30-day window. This remarkable resilience means your gut bacteria can rebuild diversity given the right ongoing conditions and time. The very same disruption that reduced your bacterial diversity can be counteracted through thoughtful daily choices. This is genuinely hopeful news for anyone who feels worried after finishing a difficult antibiotic treatment. Your gut is not permanently broken by antibiotics in most typical cases involving short-term treatment. Full recovery in either direction depends heavily on the choices you make in the following weeks. Now let's carefully address the biggest and most common myths surrounding antibiotics and gut health overall. Myth number 1 claims that all antibiotics damage your gut bacteria in exactly the same way. This claim is false. Different antibiotic types affect bacterial communities very differently depending on their mechanism. Narrow-spectrum antibiotics target specific bacteria, while broad-spectrum options affect a much wider bacterial range. Ultra-broad-spectrum antibiotics tend to cause the most extensive disruption to your overall gut ecosystem. Myth number 2 claims that taking probiotics during antibiotics completely cancels out any gut disruption entirely. This claim is misleading. Probiotics may help somewhat, but they do not fully prevent microbiome changes. Research on probiotic timing and effectiveness during antibiotic treatment remains genuinely mixed and still developing. Myth number 3 claims that your gut bacteria always fully return to their exact original state. This ignores research showing certain bacterial species may remain altered for extended periods after treatment ends. Some studies suggest lasting changes can persist for many months following even a single antibiotic course. Myth number 4 claims that avoiding antibiotics entirely is always the safest possible choice for your gut. This ignores the serious risks posed by untreated bacterial infections, which can become dangerous very quickly. Antibiotics remain a genuinely life-saving medical tool when used appropriately for confirmed bacterial infections. Myth number 5 claims that natural remedies can always effectively replace prescribed antibiotics for serious infections. This claim is dangerous and unsupported by solid clinical evidence for treating confirmed bacterial illness. Serious infections require proper medical evaluation and appropriate treatment decided by a qualified healthcare professional. Myth number 6 claims that gut bacteria disruption from antibiotics never causes any noticeable long-term effects. Emerging research suggests repeated antibiotic use over a lifetime may influence long-term metabolic and immune health. This does not mean necessary antibiotic treatment should be avoided out of unnecessary fear or worry. Myth number 7 claims that all bacteria killed by antibiotics are somehow harmful to your body. This completely ignores the essential and beneficial roles played by countless bacteria throughout your digestive system. Beneficial bacteria support digestion, immunity, and even certain aspects of your mental and emotional well-being. This distinction matters greatly when discussing responsible antibiotic use and supporting long-term gut health. So, what does the actual honest science say once we remove all the exaggeration and fear? Antibiotics can significantly disrupt gut bacteria diversity composition and overall long-term microbial balance. These effects are absolutely real, but they vary widely depending on the specific antibiotic and dosage used. Frequency and necessity of antibiotic use matter far more than any single properly justified treatment course. Context also matters greatly, including your diet, age, overall health, and prior antibiotic exposure history. A single necessary antibiotic course will not permanently destroy your long-term gut health by itself. Repeated unnecessary antibiotic use over many years carries far more significant long-term microbiome consequences overall. This entire story is not about avoiding necessary treatment. It is about awareness and thoughtful recovery support. Small, consistent dietary choices after treatment can create genuinely meaningful improvements in your recovery over time. Eating more fiber-rich whole foods often supports beneficial bacteria recovery more effectively than supplements alone. Fermented foods containing live bacterial cultures may help support diversity during your gut recovery process. Adequate sleep and lower stress levels also support healthy immune and digestive function during recovery periods. Staying properly hydrated plays a surprisingly important role in supporting healthy digestion throughout your recovery window. Gut recovery interacts closely with your overall diet, lifestyle habits, and daily stress management practices. All of these different factors work together as a system rather than existing as separate, isolated pieces. Understanding this much bigger picture helps replace unnecessary fear with genuine and practical everyday knowledge. So here's the final balanced and evidence-based conclusion to this entire important story. Antibiotics are not villains, and yet they are not entirely harmless tools for your gut either. Your gut bacteria are deeply and significantly influenced by every antibiotic course you ever take. Bacterial diversity, gut barrier function, immune signaling, and inflammation all play genuinely important roles here. None of these specific effects are permanently fixed for the average otherwise healthy person over time. Your gut has a truly remarkable capacity to adapt, recover, and rebalance itself given proper support. The real goal here is not fear of antibiotics at all. The goal is informed, responsible use. Taking antibiotics only when truly necessary matters far more than avoiding them out of general fear. Supporting your gut with whole foods after treatment often creates real measurable benefit during recovery. Awareness itself becomes a genuinely powerful tool once you truly understand what is happening inside your gut. You do not need to fear necessary antibiotic treatment or feel intense guilt about taking it. You simply need to understand the recovery process your body naturally goes through after treatment ends. Every antibiotic course is a medical tool for you, not something to avoid out of pure fear. Science simply does not support extreme conclusions in either direction when it comes to this topic. Responsible use, thoughtful recovery, and genuine awareness matter far more than fear-driven avoidance ever could. Your gut today has been shaped by every antibiotic course and dietary choice you have ever made. Your gut tomorrow can absolutely be reshaped by the recovery choices you decide to start making now. That is the real hidden story behind antibiotics and their true effect on your gut bacteria. Not a story built on fear at all, but a story built on understanding and real possibility. What you do for your gut after treatment is quietly building the health you carry forward.